starting position, I'm starting by lying down on my back. Now, here is what is so important. If I'm stretching this, this glute area, I can get the stretch by moving my thigh bone as well as moving my pelvis. So let's first focus on this pelvis position. So when I'm lying down on my back, I have a slight arch in my back. I'm not tucking and rounding like this, okay? So I have a slight arch in my back. Then cross your left leg over your right. So then as soon as you go to cross this, you can feel that that back is going to kind of round. I'm just going to reset. Now, this might be enough just being able to be in this position. You know, you can kind of focus on pushing that knee away. But ideally, what I want you to do is you're going to interlace your hands behind the back of your right leg. Now, immediately as I do this, I can feel my back once around. As much as I can, I'm going to try to create an arch in my back and then try to pull this right thigh forward, like in toward my chest. I'm also using my left arm to kind of block that leg a little bit to make sure that it isn't kind of coming in toward me too much. So I'm kind of like hooking this this arm around and pulling in. And then as I pull in, I need to make sure, okay, I'm gonna get a little bit more of an arch in my back as I pull back. That is the prerequisite though, is you really need to, I don't want you kind of rounding up like this. I really want you to try to stay in a neutral position in your back and create like a little bit of an arch in your back.